The tech sector has seen mass layoffs over the last year, but there's one area in the industry where job postings are rising. Let's bring in Yahoo Finance's Allie Garfinkle. Allie, I'm going to take a wild guess and say it has something to do with AI.
It absolutely does, Akiko. But before we get to AI, I think it is really important to say, generally speaking out there, it's pretty brutal if you're looking for a job in tech. Absolutely everyone I've talked to has said that there is less hiring across the board in tech. That means fewer onboardings. That means a lot of recruiters out of work. That means fewer job postings. And this does track with the raw data, right? Tech layoffs have been a huge story over the last year, and they have been an even bigger story this year in a lot of ways. We are halfway through 2023, and we have seen more tech layoffs this year than last. That being said, pockets of optimism. They absolutely do exist. Tech talent is definitely still in demand. It's just not necessarily at tech companies. For instance, I had a source tell me that he is hiring a lot of developers at healthcare companies right now. The other thing, too, is that geography is playing a role. For example, U.S. tech talent just doesn't have the same level of opportunity that tech talent in Central Europe, Africa, India has right now. And then, of course, the moment you've been waiting for, Akiko, AI. That is the one area where job postings are up, hiring is up. There's something that people are calling an AI premium actually in the job market right now. And there's some stats to back this up. For instance, the average salary for a software engineer specializing in AI is 12% higher than for those who don't specialize in AI. Add to that, there's also been a 4% increase in salaries for those AI engineers since the beginning of the year. So all in all, it isn't a great picture for tech workers right now, but there are bright spots. Optimism flooding in from the broader labor market. We saw those ADP numbers today, 500,000 jobs almost added in June to the economy. And I think it's maybe more important than ever to say it's really clear that tech jobs aren't just at tech companies anymore. And I think that's where you're going to see the most of the tech hiring activity, at least for a while.
Yeah, we've heard a lot of stories about government jobs. Really, they are trying to recruit a lot of tech workers too. So there's certainly a lot of recruitment going on for some of that talent. Allie Garfinkle, thanks so much for that.